Nah, just play. I'm not being a party pooper. I'm just enjoying the weather.
Is that better? I am filming you.
I know, I'll just say it's not better.
Beach. Those are different kind of birds. Those are the ones that you see on the tattoos, really. He's such a lame. Wait. Talk.
I have nothing to say. I'm just relaxing.
Look at that sexy picture. Put on Facebook later. That pose you just did, you was like,
I didn't do that. I was talking.
you leaned over, you was like, what? There he goes again.
I was just looking at the camera.
So you don't have nothing to talk about?
No, what am I supposed to talk about? I'm sitting here on the beach.
He's just mad.
And I'm relaxing. What else does me say? Fuck is all this shit?
Oh, right there, okay.
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know. You asked me like that's part from the chapstick. Yeah, drink.
I feel like I've been.
This is Hyde Park Beach.
Is it?
Yes.
That's exactly what it is.
So look who finally got in the sand.
Man, I don't know why you keep filming videos. I don't have nothing to say.
It don't matter. We're just on the beach. So you said like, oh, why don't you make any kind of videos or nothing? Well, I'm making just random videos. Not watching. I like you.
Go to sleep. Stop bothering me.
See how petty he is. He just doesn't enjoy his time with me and nothing. But watch when we have company, he wide awake, you know, like, here I'll be a part of the conversation and everything. What's wrong with you?
She always
What's wrong
want me
with
to be
you?
you always want me to be all social. Then when we're in a social setting, then you don't want to talk to nobody.
I did be talking to people, it just get boring after a while.
Like sitting here gets bored after a while.
Listen to some new scenery, like, how you say scenery?
And scenery don't matter.
And we're not inside, we're outside at the beach, at the beach, at the beach, at the beach.
I'm an indoors
At the
person.
beach, at the beach, at the beach.
I don't like being outside. I shrivel up like the Wicked Witch of the West when I go outside. Penis falls off.
Well,
That's why I wear skinny jeans. Cause I don't have a penis. Kiara got me so dog. She has a penis. That's why her pants baggy.
no, it's not. Oh, we're trying to say, oh.
See, like, normal people think that she ain't got no ass, but it's really because she got a penis. I mean, she ain't got no ass either, though, but...
Whatever. So mean. I don't even know if I was saying crunch. When you can stand in your mouth, crunch on it.
Wipe it on me.
Damn it. Now I'm so crusty over again. Look, just staring at the
Like, well, the reason why I don't work at Bath and Body Works is because my manager brought his so-called little boyfriend, and I was telling his so-called boyfriend, whatever it's called, you know, about what I think, and then he got offended, and then he tried to, you know, swing on me, which was the wrong mistake.
Wait, what?
He tried to swing on me, which was the wrong mistake, and I beat his ass. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna be good. I'm sorry. That's what you get from growing up around a whole bunch of boys and learning how to fight.
Why are you making that face?
Can they see me?
Disappear. We're gonna do it. We
I know,
should
right?
do it picture like
Can I
that.
disappear? I'm actually happy that they sent me home though, because
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.